Isn't that pretty? Wait till you taste it. It actually tastes even better than it looks. And this is how you eat it. Scoop a little bit of each. This is my seasonal healing soup, red green edition. And in this video, I'll show you how to harness the power of seasonal veggies to help your body heal one bowl at a time. My name is Oksana. A little bit of my favorite blend spice. You know, I truly believe there is something magical about cooking with what the season gives us. Tomatoes, eggplant, zucchini, pepper, fresh herbs. They show up in summer for a reason. Rich in antioxidants, easy on the gut, hydrating, cooling. Everything our body needs to detox and debloat naturally. When we eat what's in season, we are not just saving money and get a better flavor, but we actually sync in with nature. And that's where true healing actually begins. Seasonal produce is picked at its peak. It hasn't been stored for a month yet or flown cross country or forced to grow in artificial conditions. It means it's more alive, more nutritiously dense, and more in tune with what your body actually needs. Your body knows how to heal, but you have to give it the right foods at the right time. And this is the perfect recipe to show you how. Let's start cooking. Because this is a green and red soup, it has two parts to it. And we're gonna cook these two parts separately. So first, we're gonna start by preparing our veggies to roast. This is a green part. Coarsely chop the onion. I like red because it's richer in antioxidants, but you can use any seasonal kind you have. Like this. It doesn't really have to be roasted all through. It will serve the purpose. It's gonna get our soups more flavorful. I pre-washed my veggies already. Zucchini. Just like very coarse cubes. And eggplant. This part is gonna stay green thanks to spinach and these herbs over here. Little bit of olive oil, just drizzle liberally like this. And of course, my favorite spice blend that will make this healing soup even more nutritious, more delicious, deeper in flavor. So make sure to coat it nicely like this. Make a little room over here for this little guy, garlic. Just cut the top off and modestly place it over here. Drizzle with a little bit of olive oil, and that's it. This part is ready for roasting. The red part is easy peasy, pepper squeezy. We really have to do nothing. Just wash your peppers, 2 red bell peppers, and we're gonna set them to roast for about 20-25 minutes, and at which point we are going to add tomatoes, whole tomatoes. Tomatoes take much less time to roast, so that's why we're adding them later. And now we're just gonna send them to our oven to sunbathe for, I don't know, we'll see, 30 minutes, 35 minutes, maybe. I know peppers usually take like 40 minutes, but what you wanna do, 400 Fahrenheit and 2 separate baking sheets. Let's go. We're putting them together at the same time. This one on the bottom because we really don't have to add anything to it. And this one on top. And that's it. See you in 20. something is ready. Let's go check it out. Okay, pepper is shaping up nicely. This has been 30 minutes, by the way. I think the bottom part is ready. Garlic is not. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna move garlic up, take this one out, and add tomatoes to the top rack. So another 30 minutes. 20 or 30. Well, I'll let you know precisely. Done, done, done. Done, done, done. Our peppers are nice and black. That's actually good. We're gonna skin them. Ooh, look at the tomatoes. Beautiful. Let's start blending our green part first. Garlic will wait a little bit. Let's make a little room, give it like a quick spin so we can add the rest of this stuff. That's good enough. Now we can fit our spinach. Okay, how much spinach? Like 2 handfuls. I don't really have precise measurements for this recipe because I just usually eye it out. And you can't really go wrong with like overdoing a certain part. So two big handfuls of spinach. Now we can add a little bit of fresh herbs. So what I have here, cilantro. If you don't like cilantro, use parsley. But use it sparingly because of the flavors that are very strong. So I think that's enough for me. We're gonna add my favorite spice blend. This is like a half a teaspoon, and definitely salt. Let's start with half a teaspoon and then we'll taste it. And then we gotta take care of garlic next. Now, we'll divide our garlic between the green and red part. Oh, look how satisfying. I love doing that. We need to add a little bit of liquid. I'm using my homemade veggie broth. I have a video how to make it, but very, very little bit. You gotta be careful. I'm gonna start with 1/3 of a cup because you want the soup to be thick enough so when you pour the two together, they don't actually mix. And let's add half of our garlic. And more salt, definitely. Another half a teaspoon. And lemon juice. For now, let's transfer it into a holding bowl, as I call it. And we get ready to mix the red part. Look at this color. How vibrantly green. I love it. Look at the depth of it. Oh. Now a vibrant red layer. I love these summer colors. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna remove the skin and peppers, but I wanna preserve the liquid. So I like to do it like in a plate. The more colors are in our diet, the better your gut feels. No skin, no seeds. We'll keep everything else. Okay. And I'm going to throw it right away in the blender. Very satisfying to peel. red part usually does not require extra liquid because tomatoes are very liquidy. Salt, like 1 teaspoon. My favorite spice blend, half a teaspoon. A little bit of cilantro, a little bit of dill, and blend it. Final spin, let's add our garlic, and that's it. Let's see what we got. So much good stuff is stuck to the lid. I hate leaving it there. As a rule of thumb, the red part comes out much more liquid like this. Look at these colors. You can actually eat these as standalone soups, 2 different ones. But wait, the flavor is so uniquely different when you combine them. Now, here's the tip. You see how this part always comes out more liquid. Now, we need to make this a consistency close to the red part by adding just a little bit more of broth, or maybe using water. Thickness check. Just a little bit more. And in case I didn't mention, this soup is equally good served warm or cold. I like to serve it room temperature during hot summer days. I think that's good enough. What do you think? Right? Perfect. Let's serve. It requires a lot of deep breathing, and you got to do like the magic thing. I'm just kidding. Green wins so far. And you can serve it with a piece of your favorite bread. Like I have my toasted green buckwheat slice over here. Oops, almost forgot. Look at this perfection. This is how health smells like. And if you love soups like this that are simple, seasonal, and designed to help your body heal, you'll find more of them in my cookbook. Link below this video. Meanwhile, let's heal with what's real. And this is how you eat it. Scoop a little bit of each. Burst of flavors in your mouth. Your body loves this.